All right, fam, we got some real heavy hitters today, really absolute killer deals. So let's fly right into it. This one comes courtesy of Tyler Phi and Tyler Tool, the Bosch SDS Plus Bulldog. That thing is an absolute monster, just absolutely destroys concrete. And right now you can get it at Tyler Tool for $124.99. That's killer. It's the kit with a 4 amp hour battery. Absolutely insane. That one will absolutely sell out. Over at Acme Tools, they have 12% off for their Spring Black Friday sale, and that includes packouts, fam, with code SPRING12. Now, I know it's not absolutely killer or anything like that, but you guys know that packouts rarely go on sale. And they have the XLs, the drawers, the dollies, combo kits, all kinds of weird stuff like that. So I will leave a link to that in the description down below as well. And you're going to want to head over to homedepot.com first, because in today's special buy of the day, they actually have good stuff. Now, if you've got stubbies already, you could probably skip these. These are the 3/8 and 1/2 inch for $269. That brings them down to around $135 a piece. Yeah, I had my coffee this morning. I can math a little bit. But this rocket light with the vac and a 5 amp hour battery for $249 is absolutely killer. Regular price on that rocket light is $229. That one will sell out. There's a few other vac combos, like the vac and the multi-tool twice for some reason. I have no idea why they would do that, but it's there twice for whatever reason. The hacksaw, skip on that one. What do we got here? Hammer drill. Oh, there it is. Hammer drill, M12 combo with right angle drill. Extended reach ratchet, high speed fuel with stubby, $359. We've seen some of these before. I would pass on most of these. That rocket light vac combo is going to be the one you want to get. There's some orange nonsense there. Probably skip all that yellow brushed nonsense. Okay, that's a good one right there. Don't skip on that one either. That is the Rover 1000 lumen compact light. That is an $80 light, I believe, and they're including a 6 and a 3. That's $90 worth of batteries for $139. That's pretty wicked. That one will sell out as well. We've got a deal on the heat gun that everyone was looking for, $229 with 2 5s. You guys know my rule for batteries. $10 per amp hour is what I like to rate them at, so that's $100 right there. A heat gun for $129. Is that a good deal? I don't know, but it's a sale on that heat gun that you guys were asking about. The detail polisher sander from Ryobi, $99. I haven't heard many complaints on it. Seems pretty decent. $99. If you're a detailer, that I guess, I haven't, honestly, I have no idea. I'm not a detailer. I just hit my car with the power washer and call it a day. More Ryobi deals. Extended reach ratchet. I have rarely seen that go on sale. $159 with a battery and charger. Not terrible if you're in that platform. The highest rated orange garbage high torque impact wrench, $199 with a 4.0. Again, not terrible, but we have seen better deals on that. What? Okay, hold the phone. When makes cordless tools? I'm sorry, I'm a little lost for words here. So they have a 1/2 inch impact wrench for the kit, $60. Circ saw and grinder. I don't know about that, but they're there. Cheap kits from When on cordless tools. So take that for what it's worth. We've got some shockwave bit sets, oscillating tool blades. That's pretty cool. They include the drywall cutting blade from Milwaukee, 9 pieces. That comes right around to $5 a piece for decent-ish blades. The pack out backpack, $90. Not terrible, not terrible. I think that's probably about it. Oh, the Wen planer for $2.99. Not terrible there. That miter saw sold out. You're not missing out on much there. They're all the same, the lower end miter saws. So a link to this special buy of the day will be in the description down below. And that's it for now. I got to get back to work, fam. Have at it. Good luck.